Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Be Foodie cooking channel. Today I am going to share a chicken gumbo recipe with you which is originated in southern Louisiana. Quickly let's have a look at the ingredients. Let's get started. I have chopped chicken breast in small pieces. So first we'll do the marination. Add oregano flakes, some paprika. This gives nice smoky flavor. Some black pepper powder, cayenne pepper, little bit of salt, add some oil, mix everything together and marinate it for at least 15 minutes. Heat oil in pan on medium heat. Once oil is hot, add chicken pieces. Quickly stir it. Stir it for about 2 minutes on medium-high flame. After 2 minutes, add chopped onion. Quickly stir it. Stir it for about 20 seconds and then we'll add rest of the vegetables. Add chopped celery, chopped okra, also known as chilli. Mix everything. Keep stirring for about a minute. Add chopped bell pepper. I'm using green bell pepper. You can use any color you like. Some chopped garlic. Stir it. Saute all the vegetables until they are 70 to 80% cooked. Keep the heat on medium and cover it. Let's check our chicken and vegetable. They are 80% cooked. Turn off the stove, and it took me almost 14 minutes to cook it. Keep it aside and let's start preparing the roux. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. The ratio of all-purpose flour and oil is almost same by weight. Oil is hot. Add all-purpose flour. Keep stirring. Little at a time. And make sure it doesn't form any lumps. Be careful while you are making dough so that it doesn't get burned. Keep stirring. And always use wooden spatula for that if you are using a non-stick pot. It'll take about 15 minutes to get nice peanut butter color. So you have to stir it till that time. I'm stirring constantly this roux from last 14 minutes. Now this is the perfect color for the gumbo. I'm keeping the heat on low. Now I'll add my vegetables. Stir everything together. Add chopped tomatoes and you can also use tomato puree. Mix everything. Add chicken stock, but if you don't have stock you can also use water. Now I'll cook everything on medium heat. Add yellow chilli, This gives a nice flavor to gumbo. Add some water as per your desired consistency. Stir it. Add salt to taste. Cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. And in between, if you want, you can keep on checking. Take off the lid after 14 minutes. Let's check. This is completely cooked. Remove yellow chilli and it's ready to be served with steamed rice. Chicken gumbo is ready. It's best to serve hot with steamed rice. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you. Share your experience with us by putting comments below. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up. Hit like and subscribe today to Let's Be Foodie if you haven't yet.
Refer my other videos as well for delicious recipes. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and you can also follow Let's Be Foodie on Facebook, Google+, Twitter and Pinterest. Thanks for watching. I will be back soon with a new recipe.